Welcome to this brief tutorial on how to add and edit closed captioning on your YouTube videos for equal access to students with a variety of learning needs. YouTube's Subtitles tool in the YouTube Studio editing interface is fast, intuitive, and easy to use. It also provides a spot for adding your own captions that can expedite your captioning process dependent upon what type of video you're uploading. Before we begin, it's important to note that if you haven't yet viewed our introduction to creating a YouTube account video, you may want to refer to that video first for some helpful tips on navigating the YouTube Studio and managing your YouTube account. The link to that video can be viewed in the description below. With that in mind, let's begin. First, you will need to access your YouTube Studio channel dashboard. Once you're logged into your YouTube account, you can click on your user avatar in the top right-hand corner of virtually any YouTube page to bring up a quick access toolbar that will contain a quick link to the YouTube Studio. It's important to note that if you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you're logged into the right account prior to clicking on the YouTube Studio link. Once you're in your YouTube Studio channel dashboard, you will find a list of quick links on the left-hand side of the screen. Select the Subtitles link to bring up your channel Subtitles page. This page will list all of your uploaded videos in reverse chronological order. Clicking the title of any of your videos will take you to that video's video subtitles page. It's important to note that YouTube will auto-generate subtitles after your video has been uploaded and processed. However, these subtitles are rarely 100% correct and most likely will need to be edited before they can be published for consumption. If you would like to edit the existing auto-generated subtitles, click the Published Automatic selection on the right-hand side. You will enter the timeline screen where the auto-generated titles have already been aligned to the audio in your video timeline. It is important to note that you will not be able to manipulate these subtitles until you click the Edit button in the top right-hand corner of the page. After you have clicked the Edit button, the screen will change to the Transcribe and Set Timings mode. From here, you are free to play the video back while viewing the subtitles as a draft. If you don't like anything that appears, feel free to edit the text on the left-hand side in the corresponding text box. You can also click on a text box in the timeline to take you to the corresponding box on the left-hand side. Likewise, if you scroll down and click on a text box on the left-hand side, you will jump to the corresponding spot on the timeline to the right. If you would like to realign the existing text boxes in the video timeline, you can simply click and drag either end to lengthen or shorten the text box. You can also zoom in and out to get a better view of the timeline by using the zoom slider in the bottom right-hand corner. Work your way through your desired edits on the timeline, and then hit Save Changes on the top right-hand corner to finalize your changes. You're all finished. If you would like to upload a pre-written transcript or transcribe your video yourself, select the Add Language button from the video subtitles screen in the YouTube Studio for the corresponding video. Choose the corresponding language and then click the Add button on the right-hand side. On the next screen, you can either upload your text transcript with the Upload a File option on the right, or you can use the Transcribe and Autosync option to copy and paste your text into the video transcript window and then click Set Timings. It is important to note that when you add your own subtitles, YouTube will need some time to line up the text to the video before you can go in, double check the timings, and finally publish the final draft for consumption. There are distinct advantages to both captioning options in YouTube Studio. For shorter videos that are already scripted, uploading your text transcript directly ensures accuracy in words, timing, and punctuation. For longer unscripted videos that are recorded live, such as a Zoom session, editing YouTube's auto captions is a much faster process. Knowing both methods of captioning will help you save time and deliver the best closed captioning based on what sort of video you need captioned. Once you have published your captions, you can always check them by viewing your video and clicking the captioning button that can be found in the lower right-hand corner of the video window. We hope this helps. As always, if you need further assistance in navigating YouTube, you can always refer back to this video or contact our instructional technology department using the information seen on the screen here. Thanks for taking the time to view this training and to provide a fair and equitable learning environment that meets the various learning needs of our students.